Hello, today we will guide you through how to close period in Xero. In Xero, closing a period is done by setting lock dates. Locking a date prevents anyone without the right permissions from adding, editing, or deleting transactions on or before that date. It's a key control to protect finalized results after month end or year end, and it helps keep your reports consistent once they're approved. Start by opening your Xero organization and landing on the homepage dashboard. From here, head to the main navigation at the top and select Accounting. This is where you'll find the settings that govern how your books behave. In the drop-down, choose Accounting Settings to open the configuration area for your organization. Within Accounting Settings, go to Financial Settings. This page contains core preferences such as your financial year and, importantly for this process, your lock dates. Scroll until you see the Lock Dates section. Depending on your access level, you may see options to lock for all users or to lock for everyone except advisors. Locking for everyone except advisors allows designated users with higher permissions to continue year-end adjustments, while locking for all users fully closes that period to changes. Use the option that aligns with your internal controls. Now select the lock date. Choose the last day of the period you want to protect. For example, if you're closing March, set the lock date to March 31st. Xero will then block changes to any transactions dated on or before that day. Before you set the date, it's good practice to ensure your reconciliations, invoices, bills, and journals for that period have been reviewed and posted, and that any required reports or filings are complete. That way, what you're locking reflects your final agreed figures. Once you've chosen the appropriate date in the Lock Dates field that matches your policy, take a moment to review the selection. Confirm it aligns with your reporting timetable and that the correct lock option is applied based on who should be able to make adjustments. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will apply the lock immediately. From this point on, users without the necessary permissions won't be able to alter transactions on or before the lock date, which helps preserve the integrity of your financial statements. If circumstances change later, authorized users can return to the same financial settings page to adjust or remove the lock date. But be mindful that unlocking a period can affect previously finalized reports. That's it. You've closed the period in Xero by setting lock dates, helping keep your accounts accurate, consistent, and audit ready.